Are you a beginner in search of online business opportunities you can do with ease and that has huge profit margin? You are in the right place. In today's video, I'm going to show you best online business opportunity to start with ease for a beginner. You might have learned there are a lot of business opportunities with huge profit return online. That is true. And when it comes to that, we used to hear about affiliate marketing, creation of online courses, e-commerce, online tutoring, and things like Amazon affiliates and many more. Yes, these are profit-making online business opportunities, but they are not beginners friendly. In today's video, I want to take you through beginners friendly online business opportunities you can start with ease and make huge returns. In case today is your first day of coming across my video, my name is Andy Moses T. I make videos on beginners masterclass on how to start online businesses, execute side hustle, start small business and grow it into profitability. If this sounds like the kind of things you want, I encourage you to click on the subscription button and click on the notification bell so that whenever I post a video like this, you shall be notified of it. Do not also forget to give this video a thumb up. Now let's get started. First of all, who is a beginner? A beginner is a person with little or no experience on online business and digital scale strategies. A beginner is a person with little or no experience in online business and digital scale strategies. That is a beginner. Number two, a beginner is a person who has little or no capital to set up a business in a traditional way. Number three, a beginner is a person who is venturing into online business opportunity for the first time. So if you fall into any of these categories, this video is for you. We are going to talk about best online business opportunities that you can start as a beginner with ease. Number one, digital ad agency. This is an online business opportunity that does not require expertise, does not require you to invest money to start. What is digital ad agency? Digital ad agency is a business model that has to do with helping businesses to advertise their products and services on internet using the instrumentality of Facebook ad or Google ad. So this is a business opportunity you can actually go into without spending money and with little skill. Now, if you are not familiar with posting Facebook ad, you can simply learn it by going to Facebook and click on Ad Manager and learn how to run a Facebook ad effectively. You can even Google search it, how to run a Facebook ad effectively, and you are going to see the training skill. You can also check out on YouTube on how to run effective Facebook ad, and you are going to learn how to run a effective Facebook ad. Then after which you can approach some businesses and help them to advertise their products and services on Facebook, and you make money from it. In the same way, Google ad can also be learned. You can learn on Google Skill Shop. The training is for free. You can also try to search for it on YouTube, how to advertise on Google, and you learn this skill and you now use it to establish a mini agency on digital ad agency, where people approach you with their advertisement need and you charge them and advertise their products and services on social media platforms such as Facebook and Google and Instagram. Number two, multimedia management agency. What is multimedia management agency? It involves the video content creation or creation and editing. I repeat, it involves video content creation or curation and editing. That is to say, you help businesses to create video adverts, marketing video adverts for their businesses, or you create content on your own to post on social media platforms such as Facebook, Instagram, or YouTube. Video curation has to do with curating other people's content, do a little editing, and post it on your social media platform. All the skill you need to do this is video editing skill. And video editing skill does not require much. There are many platforms that you can learn video editing skill. Apps like CapCut, YouCut, and some other video editing apps also provide academy where people can learn video editing skill. Once you have video editing skill, you can create video content, you can create video advertisement for businesses, you can curate other people's video and use it on your social media platform. And if you have video editing skill, some people can hire you to help them edit their own videos for their own social media platform. This is also an avenue to make money online without you stressing yourself. In the description below, I'm going to leave you with a channel that will teach you how to edit video like pro. Number 3, social media manager. Who is a social media manager? A social media manager is somebody who helps people to handle their social media platform. Just like it could be a politician or a prominent business person who does not have time to answer to his audience online. You can help the person to manage his Twitter, his Facebook account, his Instagram account, or in any other platform that the person is using. So you become the person's a kind of special assistant on social media handling. What does it require to start this online business? It simply requires you to be skillful in handling social media platforms, just like posting on Facebook, posting on Instagram, posting on Twitter, and responding to inquiries and comments for somebody. So if you have this skill, you can approach people, market yourself to the people that may need these services, and you become their social media manager, and they pay you for handling their social media platform and interact with their audience on their behalf. This is also another avenue you can make money online with ease without you investing your own money. Number 4, freelance graphic designer. The vacancy for freelance graphic designer cannot be satisfied. There is always a demand for a graphic designer. What you need to do is to train yourself on how to design graphics. Then you can enlist your job on Fiverr.com or Upwork.com or freelancers.com. Alternatively, you can market yourself as an independent freelancer. People want to have their business logo designed. People want to design flyers for their businesses. People want to design banners and posters. The demand for your service will always be there. So the way to make money online is to become a graphic designer, and you are going to have people call you up to design their banners, their flyers, their logos, their many more things that you design online. So if you want to start up as a beginner in online business opportunity, look the way of freelance graphic designer. Number 5, remote job. Remote job provides you opportunity to go into online business without risking of investing your money as capital. What is remote job? Remote job is going to remote job website and apply for a job there that you have skill for. In this channel, I have a video dedicated to it that talk about 7 remote job websites with over 270 job opportunities. So I would like you to check out the video. What you do there is to apply for a skill that you think that you have, and when the company hires you, you work from the comfort of your home using your laptop or your smartphone in order to meet their requirements or your job description for that job. This is also another opportunity to do online business without any risk of spending your money. It is beginners friendly. As long as you have the skill for this job, it is beginners friendly. Number 6, dropshipping. I like dropshipping so much because it is a business that you can start without any capital. What is dropshipping? Dropshipping is a business model that provides you with the opportunity of selling products that you never own. The product belongs to a vendor. You sell the product online either by advertisement or post it on your social media platform. When people order for that product, you now get across to the vendor to supply the product, and you are paid by the buyer, and you now settle the vendor of the product. In this channel, I have a full video on how to start and build a successful dropshipping business step by step, beginner's guide. So I will leave the link in the description below so you can go and watch it and learn how to do a successful dropshipping business. Number 7, online survey. Online survey is the easiest online business you can do, because what you need is just your phone, and what you have to do is to answer surveys. You answer questions and you get paid. Online survey. There are apps that are designated for this online survey that pay real money. In this channel, I have a video on 4 online survey apps that pay real money. You can check it out in the description below. Online survey is the best way you can make money with ease online without running any risk of losing your money